Burnt lemonade is an amazing talking point in itself, isn't it? Burnt lemonade, how do you manage to burn it? Why did you burn it? I burnt it because it's delicious. I'm Tristan Welch and this is Rubbish Cooked. It's a zero waste movement. That's right, we go into your bins and we find something delicious out of it. There's a meal everywhere. Let's make some zero waste burnt lemonade. It's getting hot in the kitchen and this is going to be the perfect way to cool down. Lemons up. So simple, so easy, and a great way to use up your lemon peels because this recipe uses all of that flavor in the lemons. You're barbecuing, you've got fire, so what we're going to do is take these lemons to the next level by grilling them, slightly blackening them on the outside, and that will create a whole new flavor. Ooh. You don't want to cook them, you want to sear them because you still want the freshness of that lemon. Let's have a look. Oh yes, yes please. Can you see that? That is exactly what we're looking for. The natural sugars in that lemon are caramelizing and it will give it a beautiful sort of smoky caramel note. That is wicked. Just a flavor like that on my fingers. Yeah, I'm gonna lick my fingers. You probably won't want to show that bit, but it's so good. So, just a jam jar. You can use a cocktail shaker, but this is Rubbish Cooked. We love to use things, give them the second life, right? So I shake all my cocktails in a jam jar. We'll recycle that. To make this burnt lemonade, it's really simple. I'm using my own apple scrap cider vinegar actually. Apple cider vinegar goes into the jar, decent squirt of honey. And this is a great one for the kids, right? Because it's not loads of sugar in it or anything like that. But this is the part that takes this whole recipe to a new level. Check this out. Look at that. Juicy, smoky, sweet, sour, perfect. Just squeeze in the lemons, chuck the whole thing in, give it a jolly good squeeze. I like to put a few ice cubes in at this point. The reason being is because when we shake it up, it'll help release the natural oils in the lemons. Give the lemons something to bash against, you know? Lid on the jam jar, give it a jolly good shake. I really wish this was Taste-O-Vision, but I'm just going to share that with you. Look at it. Smoky lemonade. Amazing. Get a couple of glasses, chop it up with ice, pour out the base. Here you go. Top it up with some fizzy water. Lemonade that's practically good for you. Garnish it with a little wedge of the burnt lemon. And there we are. Burnt lemonade, that beautiful smokiness, that richness, and that lovely golden glossiness from the honey. Cheers! I wipe my hands because my mum will watch it and then she'll call me up and say, "You got dirty hands, Tristan."